So welcome back to my Java 8 playlist. So in last two videos we have learned about what is lambda expression and what is functional interface. Now in this video we are going to learn about how to use the lambda expression using a functional interface. So without any further ado, let's start. So first I will create one main class. Then inside this main class I will create main method. Now I will create one interface with the name animal. Okay, and in this animal I will write one abstract method, that is get name. Okay, now I will create another class, and in that class I will implement this interface, that is animal, and I will write this implementation of this method, that is I am dog. Then I will use this inside this main method. So first I will create this create animal reference. I will put this dog reference inside animal object. So now I will I will print this dog name. So here it is, I am dog. So this is simple, you already know it. now to just instead of writing this separate class, we can use the lambda expression. So lambda expression will skip this separate implementation class of this dog that we have created inside over here. Now instead of writing this animal dog new dog, we can use the lambda expression, and we will write here. So instead of writing this, we can use lambda expression like this. Okay, so this is the lambda expression, and this is the written type of the lambda expression. So basically animal is a functional interface. Animal functional interface is the written type of the lambda expression. So listen carefully, this is very important. Animal functional interface is the written type of the lambda expression. Basically it works like int equals to 1, string name equals to sample. Okay, so this is like this only. This is a data type and this is a reference. So this is a data type of this lambda expressions, and this brackets is the arguments that is present inside this. We can write here int a. So when you write int a, then we have to pass here a. Okay, now, and this is the implementation. Whatever we write inside this curly braces, or so this part is done inside this curly braces. If there is a single parameter, instead of writing this square bracket curly braces, we can directly return this animal, return this parameter I am dog. When I print it, it will give. So before just I have to print it. So in sysout I will write this method. It will print I am dog. So there is no need of writing this class. Now you will ask why this interface only support the one abstract class. So listen carefully. So this is a lambda expression. So blindly he can call this abstract class. Suppose in case if you declare this string name dot get age, Now let's see what happened. If you declare these two methods, now it exception that multiple non-overriding abstract method. Now Lambda is getting confused that exactly which method should I execute. So this creates an ambiguity. Okay, so that's why function interface only supports the one single abstract class. If you want to play with the Lambda expression, then there is only way to have a functional interface, that is single abstract class. So in future, suppose if you want to use like animal 1, then you want like cat, implementation of cat, you can write I am cat, and we can directly print it in sysout in animal 1. So here is I am cat. So in this case, if Lambda expression is not there, then we have to another create new class, that is cat class, and we have to implement this animal and override this method present inside this animal. I will take one different example, with example that I am passing the parameter argument inside this method. Suppose I will create one interface like math operation. Okay, inside math operation I will write one method, that this method will do addition, that is int a, it will take two parameters. Okay, int b. Okay, now so this is a functional interface. We can write here, it's optional but it's a good practice to have it to prevent the accident. Like anyone can write here new method, so it will, if you try to write here new add or something, so it will give error. So to avoid that, use this annotation. Then in main method we will write, so we have to do addition. So first we have, this is data type, so first you have to write this declare. So for declaring any data types, what we are doing with int a equals to 1. Okay, same operation we have to do. So basically for Lambda expression, the math operation is the data type. Same process we will do here, like math operation, then math operation. Then instead of writing 1, we have to write same as Lambda expression. And in this method there are two arguments. Okay, so we have to pass this a and b, and inside that we have to just return the result, that is a plus b. When I call this method, as addition, we have to pass just argument and 3. So let's see what it will work. So it is giving 5. So see, so this is the power of a Lambda expression. So I hope you understand all this, how to use this Lambda expression. So in this video we will learn about built-in functional interface in Java 8. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy coding!